real. You know, of all the planets out there, my neighbor Venus is actually the most
Similar to me.
same size, same mass, same rocky surface.
A twin sister. How sweet. And right now, darling, I might be erupting.
Erupting? Nobody can even see your surface.
Oh, Earth. The fact that you cannot see me doing something does not mean I am not doing it. Ask your moon about that one. Scientists mapped my surface and counted 8 to 5,000 volcanoes. That is a confirmed minimum. And Earth? You have around 1,300.
1,300 feels like a lot less now. That feels embarrassing now.
Behold Matmons, a staggering 8 kilometers tall, making your average Earth mountain look, well, absolutely tiny.
Okay, so you have a lot of volcanoes. That does not prove they are active right now.
In 1991, Matmons erupted. Scientists confirmed it in 2023. The evidence was hiding in 30-year-old data the whole time, just waiting for someone to look properly. Then, NASA's Magellan spacecraft spent 2 years orbiting me, mapping 98% of my surface using radar. It could see through my clouds. Nobody could, but Magellan could.
Okay, that is actually kind of cool.
A volcanic vent near Mont Mons went from 2.2 square kilometers to 4 square kilometers in just 8 months. The walls got shorter. The inside filled up dark. Scientists believe this could be a lava lake forming inside the vent, though they cannot say for certain whether it was still liquid or had already cooled.
Hold on. You just said the data is from the 1990s. That is 30 years ago. You are using photos older than most of my teenagers as proof you are exploding right now?
And they only found 3 eruptions because they only just started looking.
Imagine what they have been missing. Oh, no!
In 2024, scientists went back into that same old data and found 2 more eruptions nobody noticed. Nipmons, Niobe Planitia, both quietly erupting while the spacecraft was literally flying right over them.
They missed 2 whole eruptions.
30 years, yes. Just those 2 eruptions alone could fill 92,000 Olympic swimming pools with lava.
Want to go for a swim? I want to go home.
Actually, a vent can change shape without any eruption. Maybe the ground just cracked a little. Maybe it was just a bad day. This proves nothing.
Mars, sweetheart, the vent did not just crack, it filled up to the brim with dark material. That is not a bad day. That is lava.
I knew that.
You want to talk about volcanoes, Mars? Your biggest one has been napping since before humans existed. At least mine are doing something.
It is resting. It will come back.
Sure it will.
But you do not even have plate tectonics. How are you still doing any of this?
No moving plates means the heat inside me has nowhere easy to go, so it just builds and builds until it finds a crack. And then, pop.
Pop?
8 to 5 dozen pops, technically.
Wait, she has been exploding this whole time and nobody told me? I orbit right next door. I could have been hit by a lava chunk.
Mercury, you live next to the sun.
That is a completely different problem.
Venus? Why does your atmosphere smell like rotten eggs?
That is sulfur dioxide. Volcanoes make it. Scientists kept noticing spikes of it in my atmosphere and thinking, something down there is still erupting.
They were right. So your volcanoes are announcing themselves through the smell.
My volcanoes have presence.
Your clouds are sulfuric acid and it is raining on your surface right now. Oh.
My surface is so hot it burns the rain away on the way down.
That is supposed to be reassuring.
I thought it was a nice detail. Here is the fun part. Everything I just showed you, 3 confirmed eruptions, came from 30-year-old grainy radar images. That is the best data anyone has of my surface.
So right now, while we are standing here...
Could be erupting.
Probably am. Nobody knows.
I need to sit down. Okay, so Venus has a lot of volcanoes. Some of them maybe went off recently. Our atmosphere smells bad, and the rain is technically acid, but it does not land.
And yeah, that is manageable, right? 85,000 volcanoes, 3 confirmed eruptions found in old data. Likely far more happening right now. Is surface hot enough to melt lead?
Yeah, okay, I need to rethink our whole twin sister thing. Space explorers, hit that like button. Subscribe for cosmic fun, and don't miss our next journey. Keep looking up.
My atmosphere is blowing off! The space weather alert! What is this wind? Help! There's an invisible force peeling my skin off! What is this horrible wind that won't stop?
Don't worry, little moon. I am Mercury, the smallest, fastest planet. The moon is way bigger and further away. Get it together.
My mistake. Okay, but look at this then.
That's just the solar wind, a flow of energized particles coming from the sun.
Luckily, I have my amazing magnetic shield. It bounces those particles right off.
It's like wearing cosmic sunscreen that actually works.
I lost my shield and my atmosphere got peeled away ages ago. I'm basically just a fast, bald rock now. Don't get too smug, Earth. Your shield isn't perfect. You're still losing atmosphere at the poles.
You're right. Without my shield, the solar wind would slowly peel off my atmosphere.
It would peel it off like the skin of a super slow, invisible cosmic onion. That's why we need that magnetic field. Hey, it's not all bad. When those particles sneak past your shield, they hit your atmosphere and make a light show. Check out the aurora.
Wow! So the solar wind is like a cosmic artist making a light show at my poles. That is actually really cool.
So as a summary, the 8-minute time gap isn't Earth being slow. It's the massive distance between the sun and Earth. You are always seeing the past version of the sun.
You can blast me, son? My magnetic shield is unbreakable. Ugh, I feel so weak and dizzy. I think my core is taking a nap. What's going on?
That dizziness means your liquid iron core is slowing down. Your magnetosphere is flickering. Time for a morning wake-up call. Take that, magnetic shield. Ouch! That went right through. My shield is gone. Welcome to my world. That's the solar wind. It's always blowing. Without your magnetic shield, you're getting hit just like me.
Atmosphere. It's blowing away. I can't breathe, and my air is getting completely messed up.
Your magnetic field is made by the incredible power of your spinning liquid iron core. It acts like a giant electric generator. So if that core stops spinning, the magnetic shield disappears.
The shield is gone. The solar wind will keep blowing until it strips away all my air. I'll end up dry and dead like Mars. I'm being scorched. I'm being scorched, and all my water is boiling away.
That's what happens when you don't keep your core cool, Earth. You're gonna end up dry and rusty like me. Relax. It takes billions of years for a core to cool. Yes, the final answer is, if your core cooled, you'd lose your shield, and the solar wind would slowly strip away your atmosphere.
Wait, Neptune, why are you hotter than you should be? You're 30 times farther from the sun than me, but you're glowing like you ate a star.
Deep inside me, it rains diamonds. Literally. Millions of carats falling through my insides like hailstones.
I'm sorry, what? My Earthlings spend their entire lives digging through dirt for tiny rocks, and you just have car-sized diamonds falling from the sky for fun?
Actually, I also have diamond rain. Neptune's not special. We're basically the same.
Barely. You radiate almost no extra heat. I pump out 2.6 times more energy than I get from the sun. You're like a broken heater, Uranus.
All right, Neptune, stop roasting your twin. Everyone, please explain this diamond rain business. How do you turn gas into gemstones?
Okay, science time. About 7,000 kilometers below my clouds, the pressure is 6 million times stronger than Earth's surface. That pressure rips methane molecules apart like tearing paper. Those free carbon atoms get squeezed so hard they lock together in diamond patterns, the most compressed, hardest form of carbon in existence. Over millions of years, these diamonds keep growing. They can get as big as cars. Some weigh millions of carats. Oh, don't look so green with envy. It doesn't suit you.
Neptune, I need those diamonds. Do you know what my Earthlings would do for car-sized diamonds? They'd name entire countries after you. Please.
Not happening. These diamonds form 7,000 kilometers down where it's 7,000 degrees and the pressure would flatten your toughest spacecraft like a pancake in seconds. Sorry, bud. Diamonds are heavier than the surrounding water, ammonia, and methane, so they sink toward my rocky core like rain. Thousands of kilometers down, slowly falling for millions of years.
Ah,
This could explain your extra heat, Neptune. Scientists think those falling diamonds release gravitational energy, turning it into heat through friction. 2.6 times what you get from the sun.
But I also have diamond rain. Why don't I glow like Neptune? I only make 1.1 times the energy from the sun. I'm the coldest planet in the whole solar system.
Scientists have a few ideas, Uranus. One theory is that Neptune's extra methane acts like better insulation, trapping ancient heat from when the planets formed. You might just be letting all your heat escape.
And here's something fascinating. You two have the strangest magnetic fields in the solar system, tilted 47 and 59 degrees from your spin axis. Most planets line up normally.
New research suggests that thinking diamonds might drag conductive materials with them. Those messy currents could create our wonky magnetic fields. Still figuring it out, though.
Let me get this straight. You two get endless diamond rain, mystery heat sources, magnetic fields that break the rules, and I get earthquakes, hurricanes, and one moon who keeps trying to leave me?
Hey, I'm only drifting 1 centimeter per year. That's not trying to leave, that's just physics.
And I give you tides, Earth. Show some gratitude.
Earth, my diamonds are completely useless. They're trapped forever where nothing can reach them. At least yours can actually be used for something.
Here's the cool part. Earthling scientists proved this works by blasting plastic with super lasers. They made actual tiny diamonds in billionths of a second. Neptune and Uranus just do it bigger.
I still don't get why my diamond rain doesn't work as well. We're supposed to be twins, Neptune. Even Pluto doesn't get roasted this much.
One idea, dear, is that Neptune's atmosphere has 3% methane compared to your 2%. That extra methane might trap heat better, like wearing a thicker blanket. But that's just one theory.
Here's a wild idea some scientists have. If my core gets hot enough, there might be a liquid carbon ocean down there with diamond icebergs floating on top. But that's just a theory. Nobody knows for sure.
A liquid carbon ocean with floating diamond icebergs the size of buildings. That's literally the most valuable ocean in the universe. Neptune, I hate you so much right now.
Fantastic. The ice giants get diamond rain, mystery heat, weird magnetic fields, and we rocky planets get dust, craters, and existential loneliness.
Real fair, universe.
Here's the twist. Planets like Neptune and Uranus are way more common in the galaxy than planets like me. This diamond rain could be happening on thousands of worlds right now.
So let me get this straight, Neptune. You're bragging about treasure buried 7,000 kilometers deep that literally nobody can ever touch, see, or use. How perfectly mysterious and dramatic of you!
Oh, and that extra heat from my diamond rain, it powers the fastest winds in the entire solar system, over 2,000 kilometers per hour.
2,000 kilometers per hour? My worst hurricanes barely hit 300. Your diamond rain literally powers megastorms. That's simultaneously awesome and terrifying.
Let's review what we learned. Deep inside Neptune and Uranus, extreme pressure and heat break methane apart. Free carbon atoms compress into diamonds that grow for millions of years. These thinking diamonds could explain Neptune's extra heat and violent storms. They might also create those bizarre tilted magnetic fields. Laboratory experiments have confirmed diamonds can form this way.
And remember, this isn't just happening here. Across the galaxy, thousands of worlds like us are experiencing diamond rain right now. The universe is raining diamonds everywhere.
You worry about your future? You should worry about mine. Let's talk about the life cycle of a star.
Jupiter? Is the sun supposed to be pulsing like that? I think he's running on fumes.
That's the sound of a midlife crisis, Earth. He's running out of hydrogen fuel in his core. I am not running out of fuel. I'm fusing hydrogen into helium. I am a yellow dwarf star, and I'm fine.
Problem is, when he uses up the hydrogen in his core, the helium starts to pile up like ash. The core shrinks, but the outside of the sun gets super hot.
And when that happens, I don't shrink. I expand. I will become a red giant. It's happening! We're being swallowed! Help! Ah!
I'm melting! I'm melting!
Won't reach Earth's orbit, but the heat will be intense. You'll be scorched, Earth. I'm being scorched.
I'm being scorched, and all my beautiful water is boiling away!
After the red giant phase, the sun will shed its outer layers and collapse into a tiny, cool, white dwarf.
It will be about the size of Earth. Wow. So, we'll survive the heat, but the light will fade. That's the end of the show for our star. I'm still good for another 5 billion years, guys. Now let's enjoy the show. Whoa, what is that? It's just sucking everything in. We found a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Has anyone seen that weird, super dark spot out there? It's emptier than usual empty space.
Oh, Mercury, don't worry about every little shadow. Probably just a cosmic dust bunny. Focus on your orbit.
It's not a dust bunny. It's pulling me. I can't stop spinning towards it. Whoa, Mercury! That's no dust bunny. That's a black hole. A black hole isn't empty space, Mercury. It's the leftovers of a supergiant star that collapsed in on itself.
And that edge, Mercury, is called the event horizon. Cross that, and not even light can escape its pull. It's truly a point of no return.
So, it's really like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, but for everything. Even us. Only if you get super, super close, Earth. Black holes are powerful, but they mostly just suck in things that are already way too near. Our sun is way too far away to ever get sucked in. So no, it won't vacuum us up. Whew. That's a relief. I don't want to be vacuum dust.